the Santoku knife. Now the word san means three. In shorthand, it means three virtues. What they're really trying to say is this knife does everything. Slicing, dicing, mincing, chopping, slicing, whatever. I really like this knife though because they usually are about 6 inches in length. You'll see this kind of blunt edge, meaning the chef's knife kind of has a taper. This has a rounded, blunt stopping point. It has a little bit of what I like to call a belly. It's not a really flat edge knife. That belly means it has a little curve to it. And what that's going to do is really help facilitate that up and down motion that Asian chefs really prefer versus pinch grip rocking motion. Another really fun cutting technique that I use that gets a lot of attention on TV that's really great with the Santoku is ginger. So what I like to do is I square off a finger of ginger, and then I could either use the back of my Santoku, and I'm just applying pressure with the spine of the Santoku down, and it helps peel the ginger, or I can flip it and use the edge. I'm gonna teach you the Jet Tila cutting rhyme. A tile becomes a slice becomes a dice. I've peeled the ginger. I'm going to square it off so it sits up straight. Now first I'm gonna cut my tiles. So now I'm gonna cut these little 1/8 quarter-inch tiles. Now a tile becomes a slice, and that could be a julienne. And these are those blades of grass cuts for ginger. And then finally, a slice bunched together become dices. And this is a nice example of what a Santoku can do. It's big enough to handle heavy work, but it's short enough to give you some detail work. So there it is, a tile slice dice with a Santoku. For more information on the Santoku knife, check out the link in the bio. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you later.